Welcome to Mentor MMA channel. Today our focus is on Excel functions. We'll be sharing with you three exciting Excel functions. Let's have a quick overview. So in this video, we will be speaking about right, left, and mid functions. What is right? Right is a function that extracts a specific number of characters from the end of a text string in an Excel cell. Left is a function that extracts a specific number of characters from the start of a text string. And mid is a function that extracts a specific number of characters from a specific middle of a text string. So you define where to start in middle and how many characters in middle you want to extract from a cell. All right, with that definition, let's quickly jump into Excel and see how these functions work. All right, we are here in Excel. Now, imagine you have data like this that might be car registration numbers or any data that you have where you want to separate either some text string from the right, left, or in middle. You can do that with right, left, and middle functions. Let's start with right. What you need to do is you put a equal sign and then start writing RIGHT, right. Start your bracket, and then you need to give text. You need to provide Excel where to pull the text from. So this is where the text is pulled in, and then another comma, followed by number of characters. So from right, how many characters, and you start counting from right. So you count 1, 2, 3. If you need these three numbers, you would say 3, and then close the bracket. So instantly you saw that out of this string, the right three characters are taken out. You can copy paste this, or you could just come here and double click on the edge of this cell. The formula is copied further on all cells, and now you see that instantly all three right text string characters are separated in this column. Same goes for left. So you start with writing equal to left, start bracket, and then click on the text where the data exists, and then you say 2 characters from the left. There you go. And you can copy paste this to all other cells. So that is the left text string separated. Now comes middle. So how middle works. Formula starts the same way. You enter a equal sign, mid, start your bracket, click on the text where your data is, and now you need to tell the start number of the middle. So where to start? So you need to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to start at 4, and you need to count spaces. So if there is any space, you need to count that. The way I counted 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is where the middle June starts, or JUN, the middle characters that we have. So I say 4, and then how many from middle? So from 4, JUN are 3. So I say 3, and then you close the bracket. So you start middle at 4, and you count for 3 characters. And there your June comes out of your data. Same way, you can copy paste, and data will be taken out from all other characters. Now let me show you if you do not count a space. If I said 3, like if I only counted A, and J, and I said 3, it will take a space in, and then you will not have the whole value that you were expecting. So that's why you need to count spaces as separate when you are counting characters, because space is also a character. All right, so this was our video for today on left, right, and mid functions. Hope you find this useful for your use cases, and if you did, please like and subscribe our channel, and we look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.